Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your Redmi Note 12 Pro louder. So at the start you have to open the Play Store, then look for the volume app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the Goodiv app. So we have to open it. Click no thank you 3 times or yes agree, decide by yourself. And close this window. Now tap on the OK. Okay, and now the tool is active. If you want to increase your level, volume level booster, just swipe it to the right. You can see the 60 is max, so adjust it to your needs. And if you go back, like here, the tool is still active in the background. If you want to disable it, open the app from the background apps. Not this one, choose stop service and click OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.